There's a reason that this cocktail has been one of the most popular cocktails in the world for the last 140 years. Today, I'm going to make the Manhattan. Alright guys, so I can't believe that I haven't made a Manhattan video yet. I own a bar called Manhattan and I haven't even done that. So we are here at the 18th Amendment Bar in Geelong, Australia, and we love Manhattans. I drink so many of them and I thought, why not do a video? And for those of you that haven't made one before, this is definitely a cocktail to try. As I said earlier, it's been around for about 140 years, and there's a reason that a lot of these classic cocktails are still so popular, because they're bloody awesome. So the first ingredient that it calls for, you can make a Manhattan with bourbon or rye. I'm going to make one with rye, and I like something that's got a little bit of punch, so I'm going to use the Manhattan rye from Hudson, made in New York, 60 mils or 2 ounces. They've also got a delicious baby bourbon, these guys. Next up, 30 mils or 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Couple dashes of Angostura bitters. A lot of ingredients there, right? We're going to give it a stir down. Really want to dilute this drink down, chill it down. I am serving it up in a coupette, so have to make sure that I chill down my coupette as well. I want to pour a nice chilled cocktail into a warm glass. Going to give that a try. This is just a touch more dilution, not a lot. Well, that's got such a nice finish. All right, super excited to drink this one. Going to strain that. And for my garnish, I like a maraschino cherry. Not the thing that I like to in a Manhattan, and it's not necessary or compulsory, is I like to just squeeze a little bit of orange over the drink just to get those essential oils and just discard that orange twist. The Manhattan. What a great drink. Obviously they didn't have a lot of ingredients back in the day. I think it was created, well, we don't know when it was created, but we know that the first time that it was printed was in 1882. It was in the Sunday Morning Herald in Orleans in New York. For many years we were made to wrongly believe that it was created in 1874 in New York City's Manhattan Club. They say it was created for a celebration banquet for Lady Randolph Churchill, which was Winston Churchill's mother. But legend historian for all things cocktails, Dave Wondridge, realised or found out, I guess, and proved that at that time that banquet was actually held, Lady Randolph was in England giving birth to Winston. I guess I'm not really too worried when it was created, as long as it has been created, because it's an awesome drink. For those of you that haven't tried one, definitely check it out. Guys, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.